some turtles literally breathe through their butts. That's right, their bodies are equipped with a secret oxygen-absorbing superpower hiding in their behinds. Deep inside a turtle's cloaca, an all-in-one opening for reproduction and waste, are specialized cells that pull in oxygen straight from the water. No need for traditional lung breathing when these guys are hibernating underwater for months. This butt breathing trick is a game changer, especially during the winter. While most animals would run out of air, turtles just chill at the bottom of frozen ponds, quietly absorbing oxygen through their cloaca and staying alive when everyone else would be gasping. So next time you see a turtle, remember, it might just be getting its next breath from somewhere totally unexpected.